and welcome to How to Be the Most Memorable Job Candidate in 3 Steps. Author and career branding coach Shelley Phillips here with a new unique personal marketing material training for every job hunter who wants to land an interview and be the most memorable candidate without submitting hundreds of applications that get no response. So here's the scoop. Step 1. What is my marketing material? You've got to think of yourself as a marketing guru, and the product that you're trying to sell is you. Your marketing material is like your ad. It's how you showcase a specific image to a potential employer. You might want to highlight all the ways that you can make their life easier and why your skills are the perfect fit for their business. It's more than a cover letter or a resume. In today's digital world, you've got to go over and above so you stand out from all the other applicants. It's not enough to just have one piece. You've got to have a whole campaign. Step 2. Personal websites or online portfolios. In today's digital search world, you've got to think past your resume. Starting on page 41 of Get Noticed, Get Hired, you'll find information on how you can use personal websites to highlight specific points of your resume. 80% of employers say a personal website is important when they're evaluating a potential job candidate. There's a lot of free or inexpensive sites you can use to get started. For example, Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress. You can create a site that showcases your current or past work. You can also show how you're a culture fit for that company you desire to work with. Not only can you share your unique story, it also highlights your ability to be creative, which is a trait many HR professionals say is very important. Step 3. Personal business cards. These are one of the most affordable and accessible ways to always be ready to market yourself. On page 43, you'll see why they're great for networking events and job fairs, and also what you should think about when you design one. Be sure to include personal contact info and show off your newly designed website or blog. Don't forget the back of the card. It's a great spot for your personal branding statement. Handing someone a business card shows you're professional, prepared, and it will inspire confidence in your ability. So, how should every job hunter move forward from here? Career branding materials offers you a chance to highlight your creativity and gives you a way to stand out from all the other candidates. Think of ways you can supplement traditional pieces like your resume and cover letter. It can help make the hiring manager's decision much easier. The bottom line here is you can land an interview by becoming the most memorable candidate. Now, if you're ready to make this even easier, let me invite you to check out my book, Get Noticed, Get Hired. It's the best $17 you'll spend on career advice. It's available at shelleyphillips.com, or there's a link in the post. Implement these 3 easy steps and immediately become the most memorable job candidate out there.